What's up guys, Internet Income Ninja here, back with another money making video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are serious about making money online, I strongly suggest you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know, because this could be a game changer in their lives. Now, today is indeed Monday, April 11th, and at this time, at this date, the time is 8:42 a.m. Eastern Standard, and this video was posted on the 8th of April, just 2-3 days ago. Nothing much happened over the weekend, so this lead is actually still valid. And of course, this lead will be posted today, April 11th. Okay, a company called LimeSurvey. Okay, they are looking for senior customer success representatives. It's a customer support role that is full-time, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Okay, so if you notice, you'll see full-time customer support anywhere in the world, and being able to work from anywhere in the world is what you'll call a remote job. So I've given this example before. Back in the day, televisions did not have remotes, so you had to get up, go to the TV, change the channel, sit down, get up, go to the TV, turn up or turn down the volume, sit down, get up, go to the TV, turn the TV off, sit down or go to bed. All right? And so that's what people do every day. They get up, go to work, and then they come home. Get up, go to work, get stuff done, then come home. And to work remotely means that, like a TV, when the remote was invented, you could stay where you are and do what you want to do. Problem solved. So if you wanted to turn the volume up, you take the remote, turn the volume up, you're still seated. You want to change the channel, take the remote, change the channel while you're still seated. And so that's the same concept with remote work. If you've never heard of remote work, you can stay home, get the same work done that you would as if you were in office, and you don't need to get up and go anywhere. So since the pandemic started, a lot of people have been deeply enthralled in remote work. And so here at Internet Income Ninja, we push working online. All right? We're all about making money online. We're all about making money. We're all about making money online. There is no shame in making a lot of money. There are people who think making money is a bad thing. Well, how did you fare with the pandemic? Would you have loved some more money? Interesting, right? Anywho, again, it's a remote position, but the headquarters are in Hamburg. Okay. Now a bit about LimeSurvey. At LimeSurvey, we are on a mission for building the world's #1 survey platform emphasized on ease of use, stability, and extensibility. We do this together with our fast-growing community and an international team of survey fanatics in Hamburg. You can find LimeSurvey in over 140 countries and 80 plus languages, from local governments, NGOs, and universities to students, small business owners, and public traded companies. So they all use LimeSurvey's platform. They are currently growing their customer success team of 3 and could use some help. If you're looking for the next challenge in customer care, you might have just found it. Now, as a customer care team member, you will help us in building our customer success department by setting up our customer lifecycle and creating training material, analyzing current product usage, and identifying specific improvement opportunities. Further, you will dig into topics related to retention, renewals, adoption, and expansion opportunities. Our customer care team also handles inquiries via email and chat in a customer-focused and solution-oriented manner. You will also take care of our customers' invoicing and dunning process. You will be in charge of customers' onboarding and handling a part of our inbound customer requests and tickets. Last but not least, you will be passing on user feedback to our internal departments in order to optimize our product. Now, what you will be doing as opposed to what you won't be doing, what you will be doing, you will help and support our customers, give advice, and respond to diverse inquiries ranging from payment issues, refunds, cancellations, and the creation of new orders. Complex tickets, these also need a solution. Next, you'll translate customer feedback into actionable insights. You'll maintain their knowledge base, manuals, and translation. You'll figure out what's next at our customer success department. What you will not be doing, you won't be opening and closing tickets all day. And you also will not be responding automatically to customers or leave them hanging for a while. All right? So you need to be a real person talking to real people and handling them real time. Don't leave them lagging or waiting for umpteen minutes trying to get their things sorted out. Okay. So this is the kind of person they're looking for. Someone who cares about their customers and strives for excellence. Someone who's fluent in written and spoken English. Either German or French or any other languages would be a plus since they're based in Hamburg. All right, that's Europe. So my dogs agree. You don't need to speak dog language, but you should be fluent in English. One moment, please. Right. So all my polyglots or bilingual people, if you're European and you have strong background in English and you also speak German or French, this is for you. All right. Also, languages like Spanish for the Spanish people, Ukrainian, Russian, whatever. Any strong English speaker who also is good at German, French, or another European language, that would be a plus. Portuguese, you are tech savvy and tech minded, as our products still is. You have a good sense of humor. You have experience with a software as a service company. You have experience with customer success, CRMs, and ticket management systems. You are comfortable in a startup environment, and you can work fully autonomously. Now, in exchange for being such an awesome person, like myself and like the other subscribers here, what they offer you in return is that with the tasks being as varied and challenging and interesting, and no customer is the same, no two situations are the same. It comes with its ups and downs, but that's why they want the best person for the job. Now, if you're that person, you will be working in a startup environment. You will have the chance to work with a growing international team. There's also plenty of room for creativity and your own ideas. So they offer at LimeScale, they offer a dynamic working environment with flexible hours remote, from home or in the office if you're nearby, at their headquarters in Hamburg, as well as an appropriate salary package based on cost of living, including paid vacation, local public holidays, paid sick leave, and parental leave. Employment and contractor options are available as well. Now here's a weeding out section. You need to have this in your application. Be sure to mention the word I am Lime. See? Okay, let's switch this to green. Okay. Let's use a nice green for lime. Green is closer to the color of lime, I am lime. right there. Be sure to mention the word I am Lime when applying to show you read the job post. If they don't see that you have the word I am Lime, you will automatically be disqualified. Okay? Be sure to mention the word I am Lime when applying to show you read the job post completely. This is a beta feature to avoid spam applicants. Companies can search these words to find applicants that read this and see they're human. So bots have targeted their website, they have targeted their stuff, and they're weeding out by asking you to include I am Lime again here. I am Lime to show that you actually read the thing. Okay? Now, after reading all this, you will go here. You will hit the apply for position button. A page will pop up that will review all that we just went through, but then you will also be asked to enter your information in some spaces. Name, email address. I'm not sure if it will ask for your age, but it will ask how you heard about the job. You can also upload your information like your resume, your cover letter, and all these amazing things. By the way, if you are having challenges with preparing a resume or cover letter, you should check out Canva. There's a link to a free membership for Canva. Canva is a website that hosts thousands of free content like templates for resumes, templates for cover letters, templates for CVs that you can just modify to suit your need, save it, and then upload it to your application. It's easy. It's that simple, and it's free. So you can sign up for that. Also check out all the other links in the description, links that can help you make money online that aren't necessarily a 9 to 5, because you can do a 9 to 5 because you like the job, but you should never rely on one source of income. So if you can create something that is making money while you're doing what you love or like, you are twice the better for it. Okay? So check those out. Check the links in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if any of my leads have helped you in the past, or any of the other types of videos I've done have helped you in the past. Guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.